Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to offer buy now pay later options on your Squarespace store, Afterpay is a powerful choice. So in today's small tutorial, I show you how to connect Squarespace to Afterpay in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way to look for Squarespace, login or website, then use your email address and password. It's time now to go through the settings or gear icon, look for selling, then go to payments. So now, look for Stripe. It must be active. Tap on connect if you can see the active or the settings. Tap on connect. Then use your email address, password to log into your Stripe account. Then check the eligibility, make sure your country and currency support Afterpay. Then open the Stripe dashboard. Log into Stripe and go to payment methods. Enable Afterpay or ClearPay, then toggle Afterpay on in Stripe. Then verify your business details, complete any required business verification steps, then return to Squarespace. Go again through these settings, look for payments, and confirm Afterpay fully appears. You can then test basically a purchase by running a small test checkout to ensure Afterpay shows as an option. As for a small tips, Afterpay may require approval before even activation. Buy now, pay later increases average order value, so you better use it. Use a clear messaging on product pages so people would actually see it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.